And before we are going to proceed with our next part of our live show, I believe that our conversation is getting hotter. Just like the season right now here in the Philippines, it's so hot in the Philippines right now, and I believe that we need an icebreaker. So, are you ready with our icebreaker right now, Sabina? Before we're going to proceed to our photo challenge and hashtag challenge of our live show. Are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Okay. And you have no choice. You need to be always be ready, Sabina. So right now, Sabina, I just wanted to know, okay, that what's inside a bag of a beauty queen. So at this juncture, we are going to proceed to the bag raid challenge. So are you ready with your bag right now?
Yes, of course. Let me get it.
That's perfect.
Okay, so here is my bag. So first thing I have in my daily bag is, of course, my phone to connect with my friends and my family, and of course with my fans on Instagram.
But sorry to interrupt you, Sabina. May you please try to show the bag to
Okay,
our viewers? Yes.
that's here. Here is my bag.
Oh, beautiful bag. I believe that's a leather bag.
Well, it's not. It's actually eco leather. It's not real one.
Oh, it's not real one. Okay.
Yes.
So you've
Okay.
mentioned the first item on your bag is a cell phone.
Yes. Yes. Then I have a textile bag, which I showed on the last yesterday. I showed it on my live chat with Miss Earth Crown. So that's the bag
Nice.
I use to do my shopping. So I always have it in my bag. And right now, after our live chat, I'm going to do shopping. So that's why I have it. And I really encourage people to have this kind of cloth bag because it's really a good idea not to use the plastic ones.
Okay.
The next thing I have is this kind of bag. So when you do the shopping and you see vegetables or fruits, then you have to put it here. It's
Okay.
also eco-friendly. And then I have, of course, my wallet to have my documents in here. The next thing is my face mask. So as I mentioned, we have to wear face masks while doing our shopping in shops. So actually, that's one of my favorite face masks. It's reusable and it's created by my aunt. She did it by herself. So it's reusable, made of textile, and there are some nice details. Okay.
Beautiful.
So the next thing is, of course, my keys from home. Okay. Then I have a bottle, which I use a filter here, so you can drink water anywhere you are. So you just open it and have water. Okay, and then I have, I don't know if you know insects, what it is.
Yes, I know that.
Okay, so I'm really interested in photography. So that's kind of my hobby. Anywhere I am with my friends, with my family, I try to collect our moments by taking pictures with it. And it's really cute because it's pink and
Okay.
very girly. Oh, sorry.
Oh, what was that? Be careful.
That was my lip gloss.
I see.
Yeah. And the last thing is my perfumes to always be fresh. And that's it.
Thank you so much, Sabina, for sharing
Thank
what's
you.
on a beauty queen's bag. You
Thank
know
you, guys.
what? We have the same items that I have also on my bag. I always also bring a bottle of water with me
Yeah.
to replenish my energy and to be
Mm-hmm.
rehydrated as well because we need to drink 8 to 7. I'm so sorry, 7 to 8 glasses of water
Yes,
a
it's very
day.
important. And I also have it with me every day because actually I drink only water. It's the best for me. It's very healthy.
Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. But you know what? I also drink a water with the lemon plus honey on it.
Yes, it
Oh,
also gives vitamins and it's really tasty.
yes.
Also with mint lips, it's also great.
Thank you so much, Sabina, for sharing what's on your bag.
Thank you guys.